please tell me that I am the only YouTuber you subscribed that uploading Photoshop tutorial videos in a vehicle. Welcome to my 100 text effects series, episode 10. Today let's try a bit cartoony text effect in Photoshop. Start with a white background. This time let's use a single letter and a typeface which looks a bit cartoony. And change the text color to white. Then, go to the layer panel, double-click the text layer to create an inner glow. What we need to do here is to change the blend mode to normal. Set the color to black, opacity to 100%, and size to the max. Choose edge for source. And in the contour, I prefer this round corner one. In order to keep the text layer alive, and this inner glow layer style editable, you can select both the text layer and white background in the Layers panel, then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Next, let's start to build the text effect. Go to the top menu, find Filter, then Filter Gallery. First, give it a sponge filter in the Artistic. You can play with the brush size, definition, and smoothness a little bit. All these settings can be changed after. Now just set them to somewhere you like. After that, we need a second filter. Go to the button of this panel, click the plus icon to duplicate the current filter, and then change the second sponge filter to stamp filter in the sketch. Also, you can drag the light-dark balance slider and smoothness slider to get a sweet point which you prefer. Since we have already converted everything into a smart object, you can go to the Layers panel and double-click this smart object to change everything. For example, here I copied another letter. And you can even double-click this layer to change the inner glow layer style a bit. This time, let's try to use a different contour to see what it can affect the final look. Then, save the Smart Object file and close it. Photoshop will automatically update the image for you. This time, the new letter with different contour gives you a less texture around the edge effect, which is also cool. If you think black and white is a bit boring, you can create a gradient map in the Layers panel. Just by switching the black to any color, you will get yourself a colored sponge cartoon like text effect. This text effect with texture looks so strong that you can try a text-based design based on this text effect. If you like, I put this source PSD file in the description for you to have a try. Let me know if you need any more details about this. I'll be glad to help. This is the number 10 of my 100 text effects series. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, I'll keep creating.